Today's topic is all about SNR Business Life, SCGP Jila Parishad Member Beneficiary Fund and its benefit. SCGP has made a fund for every Jila Parishad. Through the firm, every Jila Parishad member earn more than 90 crore. This is the commission basis fund of SCGP work. SCGP will give two types of commission of the fund. The fund amount automatically credited the particular fund bank account. Each of the Jila Parishad member will be benefited by the fund. This is called SCGP Jila Parishad Member Beneficiary Fund. The earning of the fund will come from the commission of the firm. Work this commission is divided into two parts. Will be the commission of the SCGP member ID. And part 2 will be commission of the SCGP earned amount from the fund. Commission of SCGP membership ID will be 20 rupee of is SCGP membership ID of the area of recommended Jila Parishad area. If a Jila Parishad term is 5 years, the Jila Parishad term is 5 years. The Jila Parishad member beneficiary fund earns 18 lakh. SCGP membership and fund commission will get 2% of the SCGP members. Earning amount from the firm, if any SCGP earns 15 lakh within 14 months and the money has been deposited in the particular bank account. So if the SCGP project is implemented in the area of Jila Parishad member beneficiary fund earn more than 270 crore within the 5 years term of Jila Parishad. Commission amount will be dependent on SCGP member earning. SCGP membership ID means number of members who has completed their document verification and also got SCGP membership registration number. Use of the fund amount will benefit the local people of the Jila Parishad area. Jila Parishad personally will use the fund amount for the local people benefit only. All the dispute of the commission amount will be solved by the particular panel advocate of SNR Business Life. Thank you.